the multiple angle formula in sine, cos, tan. We have 2a and 3a formula. Sine 2a. There are two formula for that. This in terms of sine and cos, this in terms of tan. Depending on the question as to what is given, use the formula. First one, sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a, or 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Cos 2a, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different formula. The very first one, cos 2a is cos square a minus sine square a. How do I get it? Cos 2a. What is cos a plus b formula? Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. When b is also equal to a, I get cos a plus a 2a. Wherever b is coming, we are putting a. So this is a and a. So cos a will become cos square a. Sin a will become sine square a. So the very first formula we derive cos 2a equals cos square a minus sine square a. Cos square can be written as 1 minus sine square a. Combining, we have the next formula 1 minus 2 sine square a. Instead, sine square I can write 1 minus cos square a. So minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 cos square a minus 1. We have the other formula 2 cos square a minus 1. Once I know this, divide by cos square a throughout. We arrive at this formula, which is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Tan 2a, we have only one formula, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. When it is the case of 3a, in 2a itself we will write 2a plus a as 3a and we derive this formula. What is sine 3a? It is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cubed a. What is cos 3a? It is 4 cos cubed a minus 3 cos a. Tan 3a. 3 tan a minus tan cubed a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Trigonometry paves a very important step in all the higher mathematics. There is no division of max without sine, cos, tan, I can say. Even in scientific experiments, we have sine and cos. So wherever simplification is required, we will be using any of this formula. In higher mathematics, when I have cos squared, it is difficult for me to proceed. The power is troublesome. So we use these formula to simplify and write it. Use this. Cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. Bring minus 1 this side. It is 1 plus cos 2a. Bring 2 down. So cos square a can be written as 1 plus cos 2a by 2. In all the remaining exercises and in next chapters, we will be often coming across this step. Whenever cos square a is coming and I don't need that square, where square is difficult for me to proceed, remember to rewrite in this pattern 1 plus cos 2a by 2. From this formula, as I rewrite, I get sine square a is 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Cos square a 1 plus cos 2a by 2 and sine square a 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Let us remember these formula to proceed with the exercise problems. Exercise 4.2, question number 2. We are proceeding to problems based on 3a formula. Given cos square 15 minus sin square 15. Where have you come across this formula? We know cos 2a equals cos square a minus sin square a. So, whenever I come across cos square minus sin square, if the angle is same related to cos 2a, in this question, cos square 15 minus sin square 15 is coming. Related to this formula, cos 2 into 15. Cos 2 into 15 is 30 degrees. Cos 30 we recall from the table, it is root 3 by 2 and that is the answer. Ninth question, subsection 1. Tan theta is 3. Find out tan 3 theta. Let us remember the formula. Tan 3 theta equals 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. As we substitute, wherever tan theta comes 3. Tan 3 theta equals 3 into tan theta is 3 minus tan cube is 3 cube divided by 1 minus 3 tan square is 3 square. Simplifying, 3 3s are 9, 3 cube is 27, 1 minus 9 into 3, 27. Simplifying, minus 18 by minus 26 or 9 by 13. Take and write the answer. Tan 3 theta equals 9 by 13. Question number 9, subsection 2. Sin A equals 12 by 13. Find sin 3A. Sin 3A, let us remember the formula. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cubed A. So sin 3A equals 3 into sin A 12 by 13 minus 4 into sin cube 12 by 13 the whole cube. 36 by 13 minus 4 into 12 cube, 12 into 12 into 12 by 13 into 13 into 13. Cross multiply by taking LCM. 13 and 2, 197. This is 13, this is 13 cube. So 13 square, I will cross multiply, which is 169. 36 into 169 minus 6912. Use calculator, simplify, we get minus 828 by 2197 and that is the answer. Question number 10. If sin A equals 3 by 5, find cos 3A and tan 3A. Given sin A is 3 by 5, we know sin A is opposite by hypotenuse, which is 3 by 5. For A, opposite 3, hypotenuse 5, naturally the adjacent side square minus square. 25 minus 9, 16, square root is 4. So we get cos A equals adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5, and tan A equals opposite by adjacent, that is 3 by 4. 3, 4, 5 is a famous right angle triangle. Instead of doing the full triangle, once I know sin A is 3 by 5, you can immediately remember cos A 4 by 5 also by practice. Once I know 4 and 5 are the two measures, naturally the other side is 3. By practice, by using Pythagorean numbers, we can directly remember 3, 4, 5 is a right angle triangle. 5, 12, 13 is a right angle triangle. 8, 15, 17 is a right angle triangle. So these will help us to directly write it. If you are not that much thorough with, you can also use the triangle and get the values. What is the question? Find cos 3A and tan 3A. What is cos 3A formula? 4 cos cubed A minus 3 cos A. Cos 3A equals 4. Cos A is 4 by 5 cube minus 3. Cos A is 4 by 5. 4 into 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4 by 5 into 5 into 5 minus 12 by 5. 256 by 125 minus 12 by 5. LCM 125. It is 256 minus 25 12s are 300. So we get cos 3a equals minus 44 by 125. The second question, we need to find tan 3a. Tan 3a, the formula 3 tan a minus tan cubed a by 1 minus 3 tan squared a. As we found tan a from the triangle, we know tan a equals 3 by 4. Substitute 3 into 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 the whole cube by 1 minus 3 into 3 by 4 the whole square. 9 by 4 minus 27 by 64 by 1 minus 3 into 9 by 16. Step by step we shall simplify. Numerator LCM 64. Cross multiply 9 into 16 minus 27 by 64. Here I get 1 minus 27 by 16. 144 minus 27, it is 117 by 64 divided by LCM 16 minus 27 by 16. Reciprocate. We get 117 by 64 into 16 by minus 11 minus 117 by 44, and as we do the problems, whenever it is negative, don't keep it in the denominator. Negative symbol should be kept in the numerator. So we get tan 3a equals minus 117 by 44. Find tan pi by 8. First of all, let us find out what is pi by 8. Pi equals 180 degrees by 8 gives me, as I cancel, 22.5 degrees. Already we did tan 22.5 in some other problem. How shall we do it directly? Given 22.5, this is my requirement. Find out whether I know the second multiple or third multiple. If I multiply by 2, what is my answer? 45 degrees. So the question is tan. Let me remember tan 2a formula. What is tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan squared a. In the place of a, I can put 22.5. In the place of 2a, 2 into 22.5, I can put 45. Substitute. Tan 45 equals 2 tan 22.5 by 1 minus tan square 22.5. We know tan 45 value is 1 equals 2 tan 22.5 by 1 minus tan square 22.5. Cross multiplying, we get 1 minus tan square 22.5 equals 2 tan 22.5. Bringing all the terms to the same side, I get minus tan square will come as plus tan square 22.5 plus 2 tan 22.5 plus 1 will come as minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Remember the formula ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. X is equal to minus b plus a minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a equals the number over here, no number tells me 1. B equals the number here 2. C equals minus 1. And in the place of x, I have tan 22.5. Let me substitute. Tan 22.5 equals minus b minus 2 plus or minus root of b squared minus 4, a value 1, c value minus 1 divided by 2, a value 1. As I simplify, minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus into minus 4. So, how many 4s are there? 2 4s. Or I can write 8 by 2. Either I write 8 or I can write 4 into 2. Take the square root, minus 2 plus or minus 4 square root 2. 2 I don't know, write root 2 divided by 2. Taking 2 as common, all the 2's get cancelled. As I cancel, minus 1 plus root 2 I will take, because 22.5 is an acute angle. Whenever it is acute angle, negative symbol will not come. We are in first quadrant, so it must be a positive quantity. So minus 1 plus root 2 is valid, and we say the reason 22.5 is acute. The same answer we derived in the earlier class using some other problem. You can do it in any method. 22.5 whenever they give, remember it is multiplied by 2 gives us 45. So we remember tan 2a formula and derive. So what is the question actually? Tan pi by 8. Take and write the answer. Tan pi by 8 equals root 2 minus 1, and that is the final answer. Question number 15. Tan alpha equals 1 by 7. Sin beta equals 1 by root 10. Prove that alpha plus 2 beta equals pi by 4. In this question, we have tan as well as sin. And what we need to prove is alpha plus 2 beta, that is pi by 4. Convert everything as tan and show tan of alpha plus 2 beta is tan pi by 4, that is 1. So my main idea is to know what is tan of alpha plus 2 beta. Tan alpha plus 2 beta, let us show tan pi by 4. To prove that alpha plus 2 beta is pi by 4, we can also show tan alpha plus 2 beta is tan pi by 4. That is to prove that tan alpha plus 2 beta equals 1. How to show this? Take LHS. What is LHS? Tan alpha plus 2 beta. What is the formula we know? Tan alpha tan 2 beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan 2 beta. So my question is alpha plus 2 beta pi by 4. Taking tan on both the sides, we know tan pi by 4 is 1. So I need to show tan alpha plus 2 beta is 1. Let me expand. What is tan A plus B formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. I need to know what is tan alpha. It is given 1 by 7. I need to know what is tan 2 beta. It is not given. So let me find out that. So what is given actually? Sin beta 1 by root of 10. Let us remember the triangle. We know if this is beta, sin tells me opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite 1, hypotenuse root 10. What is the adjacent side then? It is square minus square. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. The square root is 3. So I get tan beta equals my formula opposite by adjacent. Opposite 1, adjacent is 3. Once I know tan beta, can I substitute here? No. My question is tan 2 beta. It is 2 tan beta by 1 minus tan square beta. 2 tan beta is 1 by 3 by 1 minus tan square beta. 1 by 3 the whole square. We get 2 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 9. 2 by 3 by taking LCM 9 minus 1 by 9. Reciprocate. 2 by 3 into. This is 8 by 9 reciprocating 9 by 8. As I cancel, it is 3 by 4. So, we have derived tan 2 beta is 3 by 4 and this answer I can use here. What is tan alpha? It is 1 by 7. Tan 2 beta from this step 3 by 4 by 1 minus tan alpha is 1 by 7. Tan 2 beta is 3 by 4. Taking LCM 4 into 7 28 cross multiply 4 plus 21 divided by 1 minus 1 3s are 3 4 7s are 28. The next step, it is 25 by 28. Denominator, take LCM 28 minus 3 divided by 28. 28 cancels. 25 by 28 minus 3 is also 25, which gives rise to 1. And 1 is the RHS here. So, we have shown tan alpha plus 2 beta is 1, or I can say alpha plus 2 beta equals pi by 4, and that is actually the question that we wanted to show.